Hey there, I just learned from one of my favorite YouTube channels how to make a poached egg in the microwave in like a minute. Let me show you how it's done. So I start off with this little tiny coffee cup that I've got. I'm gonna go ahead, put the egg right in there. You don't want something too big because that gives you too much water that you need to heat up. Once you've got the egg in there, cover it with water. There you go. Once I get the water over the level of the egg, I know I'm good. And then this is the insider trick that is going to keep your poached egg from blowing up in your microwave. And that is, there's a membrane around the yolk. And you need to just get in there and just slice it. Just get it poked, get it open a little bit, and that'll keep your egg from blowing up and making a huge mess in your microwave. Now, you're gonna want to test in your microwave to find out exactly how long you need to microwave it for. My microwave came out to just exactly 1 minute. I'm gonna show you that. And there we go. Now, it's handy when you use a little coffee cup. This can be quite warm, even if you got the little handle. Now we can go ahead and take it out of the water. Now, if I had two hands free, I'd be doing this over the sink. You can see that is a pretty good looking poached egg. The white is cooked. It looks like the yellow is still a little runny. We're gonna go ahead, throw that on some bread and see how she's doing. Now you want to be careful with the poached egg when you're taking it out because that water can be hot. I haven't burned myself, but it can be hot. The guy who showed me how to do this, he takes it out with a slotted spoon over the sink. It's probably the best way to do it. I'm gonna go ahead and, since some baguette that I had in the freezer, I store in there. I've got a video that I'll link to, shows you how to store your baguette in the freezer. Keep it fresh all the time. Now, let's take a look and see how this is. That looks like a pretty good poached egg. Go ahead, put a little hot sauce on there. Maybe a lot of hot sauce. And so there you go. You got this great high protein meal. Just takes a minute in the microwave. Time to toast some toast. Great thing about it, almost no cleanup. Throw that in the dishwasher, clean it out quick. No dishes, good snack. You can call that a meal. That's really good. So hopefully you learned how to make a poached egg in just 1 minute. I'd like to hear how it worked out in your microwave. You can put that down in the comments. Tell me if it took you longer, if it worked for you. Make sure you poke the yolk. I don't want to hear any stories in the comments that it completely blew up in your microwave because that's a big old mess. And if you enjoyed the video, I would hope that you would like it. That's going to really help me, help get it out there, help other people see it. Go ahead and subscribe. You see all of my videos. That's also really going to help my channel, really help me. And I hope you have a great day. I got a couple other videos over here. See ya.